Hi guys, this is Jody cooking. Welcome back to my channel. Guys, today I'm gonna make you some whole fried chicken. So this is the chicken that I have. This is what it look like. So these are all my seasoning. You have all-purpose seasoning, 1 spoonful. You have everyday seasoning, 1 spoonful. You have chicken seasoning, 1 spoonful. You have black pepper, 1 teaspoonful. You have paprika, 1 spoonful. You have garlic powder, 1 spoonful. And you also have onion powder, 1 spoonful. So first, I'm just gonna blend all my seasoning together. Then just pour it on my chicken. Take my hand and just pat it. Make sure you season your chicken properly. And even inside of it as well, make sure all the seasoning is all inside of the chicken. So my chicken has finished seasoning and this is what it look like. I'm not gonna marinate it, guys. You can always marinate your meat if you want to. So this is my flour mix for my chicken. So here I have some plain flour, some cornstarch, and some baking powder, some black pepper, and some all-purpose seasoning. The reason why I'm using the cornstarch and the baking powder is gonna give it an extra crunch. So that's the reason why I'm adding it to my flour mix. So now I'm gonna add my cornstarch to my flour. And my baking powder. My all-purpose seasoning and my black pepper. Just give it a stir. Just make sure everything is all blend. So here is my chicken, guys, that I season. So here I have a tray. Make sure you have a big tray because this is a big chicken. So now I'm gonna add 1 egg to my chicken. Because I'm frying my chicken, so I'm gonna add my flour mix to my chicken. So the egg is gonna make the flour stick. So make sure the eggs is all over the chicken. So now I'm gonna add my flour mix to my chicken. Just make sure everything is all coated. I hope you guys do enjoy this recipe. It's gonna be so good, I promise. So this is what my chicken looks like after I finish put my flour mix on it. So in this spot, guys, I have some vegetable oil. So my oil is hot. So this is what it look like. So now I'm gonna add my chicken to my pot. Just take your time and just put it in. So now I'm gonna take 2 forks and just turn my chicken. Just fry it for at least 5 minutes on each side. So my chicken is nice and golden, and this is exactly how I want it. So this is what it looks like. So now I'm gonna remove it now. So here I have a tray, guys, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put my chicken in my oven and 150 degree for 1 hour. So I just removed my chicken from the oven, and this is what it looks like. It is nice and golden and crispy. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it back in my oven for 30 minutes and 150 degree. So my chicken is finally finished, guys, and this is what it looks like. It is nice and crispy. So now I'm gonna add it to my sauce. So for the meantime, I'm gonna make my sauce for my chicken. So here I have some honey, 2 spoonfuls of soy sauce, 2 spoonfuls of butter, 1 spoonful of hot pepper sauce, 2 spoonfuls of sugar, 1 spoonful of chili flakes, and 2 cloves of garlic and ginger. So here I have a pot on the stove, guys, and to my pot I'm gonna add my butter, my garlic and ginger, you just want to leave it for at least 2 minutes. And I'm gonna also add my soy sauce, chili flakes, and my pepper sauce. And I'm gonna also add some ketchup, guys. And I'm also gonna add some water. and my honey. Just give it a stir. And you're gonna leave it for at least 5 minutes. So now I'm gonna add my chicken to my sauce, like so. So just make sure your sauce is nice and thick. So this is what mine's look like. So now I'm just gonna pour my sauce all over my chicken. That looks so good, guys. That looks so delicious. Just make sure you put this sauce all over your chicken. And I'm gonna also add some sesame seed. So my chicken is all finished, guys, and I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Please like, share, subscribe for many other videos. I thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, bye. So this is what my chicken looks like on the plate. It looking so yummy. I cannot wait to eat it. You can have it with mashed potato, with salad, with rice, whatever you preferred. Just enjoy. Thanks for watching.